Shellie Anderson has been a driving force of this community garden since its inception. We donate about 2,000 pounds of produce every year to the food bank and to the senior center. Shellie was instrumental in our crop plan, making sure that we were providing the kinds of produce that will be well received in the community. Shellie has an incredible wealth of knowledge about plants, and she is happy to teach people and stop and help and talk to you. She's just very inclusive. That's a place where people come to be outdoors and to get their hands dirty and to grow their own food to the best of their ability. Some people just come and water. Some people just want to come and weed. We have a space for everybody who wants to come and be in the garden. This garden would not be the way it is today without Shellie. She has spent countless hours and effort to make it a welcoming place for people to come, to garden, to volunteer, and to contribute to the community.